How to connect your Facebook account with your eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Facebook account with your eBay account easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here on your account and choose account settings. Now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is go to sign in and security. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is go down and you will find social sign in. Click on Facebook and click edit here and link it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.